Hi everyone, congratulations are in order. Today is the 31st day of our 31 Days to Get Organised challenges, and I really want to say amazing job to all of you. Now today, the last day of the challenges, I'm throwing it back at you. What have I missed this month that you would really like to tackle today in your home? Whatever it is, share that challenge and let's see how many different challenges and how many different photos and suggestions we can get up on my Facebook page or YouTube channel. Now, it's been a wonderful month. I've had a great time doing the challenges, but it's also time to say goodbye. Isn't that some old movie or TV show? I'm not sure. But here's the thing. I promise to support you over the coming year with your decluttering and organising efforts. Thank you for all the support with the 31 Days to Get Organised. And remember, no more later, 10 minutes a day, you can do this. Thank you, have a great year, keep it going throughout the next 11 months.